morning, everyone. It's 7:30 on this Wednesday morning, June 16th. I'm Danielle North.
Good morning. I'm Patrick Little, and Michelle is here this morning with more on a Thursday forecast. It's going to get better, right, as the day goes on?
Yeah, you know, we've got some clouds overhead right now, but we are going to see the skies clear out. Excuse me, we're looking at our radar right now that is tracking a few showers over Block Island. We've got temperatures in the mid to upper 60s.
I told him joking.
Oh, Patrick. All right, live city cam over Providence. We've got dry conditions, but clouds breaking for some partial sunshine. Brightens up as we head into the afternoon. 82 for the high. Let's get a check on the road conditions. Danielle's covering for Melissa today.
That's right, I am Michelle, and we want to give you a live look right now. Route 6 at Dean Street, you're starting to see a little bit of delays in one of those directions out there this morning.